Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the access panel in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new access panel. The access panel is mounted at the bottom front of the dishwasher. It covers the opening at the front of the dishwasher, serving as a protection and aesthetics. The main reason for the access panel to be replaced is if it's badly bent or it's simply missing. To remove the access panel, we need to take out the two Phillips screws. So using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to take them both out. You probably can find different screws in there. It could be a 1/4 inch or even torque 15. But you will see which one is in there. And now we're going to slide it out. This is the old access panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to slide in the new access panel. And I'll match holes on both sides. And I'm going to secure it with Phillips screws. Okay. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.